screw it in, and this way, I have the tripod which is compatible with both small tripod mount and large tripod mount. I think it's a better way like that. And now all I do is really press it in. It's really friction mount. Could be a bit difficult. Also, it helps if you install the tripod head. So now I installed the head, and I can use the grip of the tripod head to rotate it and install it further. You watch here how it's going more and more inside there. Okay, so now it's all the way in. It's very solid. It will not go anywhere. It will not fall